This is the CatGrade. It's cool because you can go into your designs and stuff. And like, this is just a road, for example. Shows me my outer limits. So when you're grading, and if anybody wants to know how to do this stuff, and you're wondering what all this means, so this would be your toe. This is the bottom of, like, your road, for example. That's the top of your road. So that's like the slope in between the two. Basically your limit lines. The one in the middle, if you ever wonder what the middle one is, that's where your crown is. The road kind of goes like that to ascent, so water can go off either side of it. Same on the other side. You got different limit lines. Don't really think too much about it when you see those. They usually just means like sometimes out of boundary lines, depending on what you're doing, blah blah blah. There's a 3D one. This is the one I like, because when your designs start getting really intricate, you want to see what they actually look like. So like, get back to my Dozer. There we go. You can see what I'm talking about, how there's kind of like a slope there. It slopes down to there. That's where my Dozer is. It'll tell you the depth of everything, like where the height is needed for your material. So like basically that's what that one means. Your blade's basically dead on. So like we're graded out, basically right where we are. You can customize these menus to whichever one you really want to. I usually go with the 3. I'll go flat surface when I'm doing roads, because you want to see your boundary lines. That's all you're worried about. You don't care how your slope and everything looks, because gravity will make it work for you. But yeah, go into your file systems. This one is like preset. Basically, it's just preset elevations of offset. So like, you want 10 cents over the grade, you put 10 cents over the grade. If you want minus, you just hit the minus button. Same kind of shit. It'll basically tells you what you want to do, like, and what it does. So I'm just gonna get out of here. Get out of that one. Ho ho ho. But yeah, she's pretty good. There's a lot more other buttons, but you will get into that when you start messing around. Everybody starts messing around with it. Some things you don't want to screw with, like in here, machine setups, licensing. Some of these you don't want to fuck with, because they're gonna mess the machine up, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna have to get a supervisor around and fix it. So like grade tolerance, all these different things, don't fuck with them. They usually come with presets, or if you know what you're doing with all these, like some people like me and the supervisor and stuff can go in here, change all that shit, because we know what we're doing. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. That is in the new Cat D6 systems. They're in all the new models. They're in the 8s, the 6s. They're in anything that's good, really. They are great. Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.